Imagine this. You're scrolling online and a logo catches your eye. You already trust the brand behind it. That's the power of a great logo. But here's the secret they won't tell you. Creating a professional, eye catching logo doesn't need a fancy designer, expensive tools, or big dollars. With the right AI tools, you can do it yourself for free in just minutes. Imagine turning your logo design skills into a money. Here's how it works. Businesses everywhere need logos, and many of them are willing to pay good money for something unique and professional. Once you learn how to create logos using AI tools, you can start offering your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even social media. The best part? You don't need advanced skills or expensive software, just the tools I'll show you in this video. You could charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per logo, depending on the quality. Think about it. If you create 5 logos a day, you could easily make $250 or more. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create stunning logos that you can sell to clients worldwide, all from the comfort of your home. Want to know how? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the easiest way to design a stunning logo that truly represents your brand, step by step. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understanding what makes a great logo. Before we jump into the tools, let's understand the key elements of a successful logo. 1. Simplicity. A logo should be clean and easy to recognize. Think of brands like Apple or Nike. 2. Relevance. Your logo should align with your brand's message and values. For example, a financial consultancy might use professional fonts and minimalistic designs. 3. Memorability. A great logo sticks in the minds of customers. 4. Versatility. Your logo should look great on business cards, websites, and even billboards. With these principles in mind, let's create your logo. Step 2. Using Bing Image Creator. To get started, we'll use Bing Image Creator, a powerful AI tool that generates designs based on your input. 1. Click the link in the video description to access Bing Image Creator. 2. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Don't worry if you don't have one, it only takes a few minutes to create. Once logged in, you'll see a prompt box. Here's where the magic happens. Type a description of the logo you want, including your brand name and design preferences. For example, a modern logo for a tech company called TechWave, featuring a sleek wave symbol and futuristic fonts. After hitting Create, the AI will generate several logo options within seconds. These designs are based on your input, making them tailored to your brand. Step 3. Enhancing your logo ideas. While Bing Image Creator is excellent, sometimes the designs might feel too generic or not fully aligned with your vision. This is where we bring in another AI tool, GravityWrite. 1. Visit GravityWrite.com using the link below. 2. Create a free account. 3. Navigate to the Images section and select Logo Design Ideas. Enter your brand name and a brief description of your business. For example, if you're starting a sustainable clothing line, you might write, eco-friendly fashion brand focusing on minimalist designs and organic materials. GravityWrite will generate detailed and creative prompts tailored to your business. Copy one of these prompts and paste it into Bing Image Creator. Step 4. Customizing your logo with Canva. Now that you've chosen a design, it's time to make it uniquely yours. We'll use Canva, a free design platform that's user-friendly and packed with features. 1. Visit canva.com and create a free account using your Google credentials. Click Create a Design and select Logo. 3. Upload your AI-generated logo by going to Uploads greater than Upload Files. Once your logo is on the canvas, follow these steps. Resize the logo, ensure it fits the canvas perfectly. Remove or edit text. Cover any text errors by placing a rectangle over them, matching the background color. Step 5. Improving logo quality with Vectorizer.ai. Logos often need to be resized for different purposes, from social media profiles to printed materials. For the best quality, you'll need an SVG format, which is scalable without losing clarity. 1. Visit Vectorizer.ai. 2. Upload your PNG logo file. 3. Within seconds, the tool converts your logo into a high-quality SVG file. Step 6. Financial benefits of logo design. Designing your logo with AI doesn't just save time, it saves money. Let's break it down. Hiring a designer typically costs anywhere from $500 to $5,000.